Lesson 6, Part 2. Accessing array element. The lesson 6, Part 2, you have to share quite a fast access the individual element array. And you didn't kind say every element array index. So every element in an array has an index and has a position. And to access the individual element array, you see the element index. You name say it begins from 0. And the emphasize array, you name say milk. Index 0. Orange index 1. Banana index 2. Gary index 3. And amino index 4. And to access the element, this is the format we follow. And as I say, syntax I use at the accessing the individual element. Any in the array name then square bracket open, then index of element you want to access. Then we end it with the closing square bracket. This is the syntax you use at the accessing array element. Your items but equals the array now you did the human or collection of data. The items but the array name and the index of the elements in the array. Array is a plural form near indices. To access the individual element, you see the what? The index of the element. How can we access orange? In the syntax, you see array name, square bracket open, then the index of the element you want to access, then square bracket what? Closed. In this case, to access orange, array in this case, I the items but, then square bracket open. Now, you name say the index of orange 1. So the 1 square bracket, then we close it with the closing square bracket. It is how quite we should any fast to access orange. See a person access Milo and so you may use the same format. Items but they refer to Milo's index. So items but square bracket open, then the index of Milo 4. Then we close it with the what? With the square bracket. How can we access banana? And the look as items but square bracket open, then 2 square bracket close and why are there? If we say the index of what? Of banana 2. The ancient JavaScript. Let items but we have our array. How can we access banana? Based on items but banana index 1. The items but then index of banana 1 square bracketing. So a quite fast to access banana from the array items but. It is a sexy individual element in here. Then we decide say ABI print it to the screen. Send a with JavaScript, which may print it to the screen. and it's between actually computer and it's on print the item access. The console.log. The thing can we say to print something to the screen in JavaScript, you using console.log. Now after the items bot square bracket open, then the index of the item I accessing, and then we end it with the square bracket. This format we use the access the individual element. And as I say access, so we can even declare a variable. Now you save this element now you access inside that particular variable. The access area no. You need to declare variable. Let banana. Then we assign that particular element now you are picking to banana or to variable banana. After Python programming language. To your items bot. Milk, banana, orange, Gary, Milo. How can we access Milo? And also you see the same format. Items bot. Then you have the Milo index as a square bracketing. To the same thing, let me up print it to the screen. Then say in Python programming language, you present a computer and say on print BB to the screen now. You see print. Then the person your item you access the accept print function. So items bot square bracket open 4, then square bracket close. And I say let me declare variable this item I am picking atom. So you banana equal items bot. Now the index of the element I person access they are share square bracket inside. It is say accessing the element in an array. You see the array name, then index of element now the person accessing they are share square bracketing. It is how fine way and you first to access the element in an array. Here share assignment. What is the syntax for accessing individual elements in an array? Access the following element from the array above and print the individual element to the screen. Orange, milk, support the channel to grow. If person will channel will not to me any. They kindly subscribe, like and share the video with others to also benefit. After share lesson 6 part 3.